Looking for the fuse box diagram and location for the 2024 Chevrolet Trax? Would you like to know where to find the user guide that details the specific fuses and their functions? Are you interested in understanding how to access the fuse box for maintenance or troubleshooting? Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse block in the 2024 Chevrolet Trax contains fuses that protect various electrical components in the engine bay. It features a durable cover to shield the fuses from environmental elements. Additionally, each fuse is labeled for easy identification, helping with quick troubleshooting and replacements. Instrument panel fuse block. The instrument panel fuse block in the 2024 Chevrolet Trax houses fuses that protect interior electrical components, such as lights and infotainment systems. It features clearly labeled fuses for quick identification and replacement. Additionally, the block is designed for easy access, allowing for straightforward troubleshooting and maintenance.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.